Good afternoon, Fayetteville. This is Maine Johnson with the Corporate Communication Team. I'm here with Deputy Chief Sifford of the Fayetteville Fire Department trying to get a little bit of information about the new construction that's taking place on Hope Mills Road. Chief, you mind telling us a little bit about what's going on?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the new Fire Station 12 site at 911 Hope Mills Road. Currently, our current Fire Station 12 is at 307 Hope Mills Road, which is right up the street, built in 1956. The official start date for the new fire station was July the 24th of 2017. We're guesstimating a completion date of around the end of April to the end of May 2018, sometime during that time frame. A little bit of history as far as funding for the Station 12 project. The land was donated by the Cumberland County School System, J.W. Coon. And this fire station at 911 Hope Mills Road is going to cover the communities of Montclair, Gallup Acres, Lafayette Village, Montclair, Oakdale, South Hills, Ashton Forest, Quail Ridge, Queensdale, and Evergreen Estates as well. The contractor for the Station 12 project is M&E Contracting, and the architect is Gordon Johnson Architects.
How many stations are there total in the city?
The city of Fayetteville has 17 fire stations.
Okay, good stuff. And I know you guys offer services for residents that range in variety that people can find out about on the website, but also you guys do smoke detector installation, correct?
Yes, sir, that's correct. You can call our phone number at 910-433-1730 and get information. We'll come out. We'll install we'll install smoke detectors in your house. We also do a limited number of carbon monoxide detectors as well. Our smoke detectors have a 10-year battery life, so they last a long time. We also have courtesy home inspections. If you're interested, you can give us a call as well on those, and we'll come in and we'll go through the areas of your home that you would like us to go through and provide you with fire safety tips and things of that nature as well.
You guys always on the ball. We appreciate everything that you do. If you guys have any questions or want to learn anything more about Fayetteville Fire and Emergency Management Department, you can check the City of Fayetteville website, and you can also contact them on their City of Fayetteville Facebook page. And that actual link will be included on this post. You guys have a great day. Deputy Chief Sifford, I thank you again for your participation. You guys have a great day and talk to you soon.